What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I want to look at these strap right here. So these are basically some keyring strap. We have a lot of them inside this package right here. So I'm just gonna do some unboxing of these. As you can see guys, we have all different colors with these key rings strap. As you can see right here, these are basically can put on your key ring and your keychain with basically these straps can work quite great on those, and I love that these come in all different colors that you can basically use. And right here we can basically strap this onto your keyring, which will work really great on it. And we have a lot of them which come inside it, so you can basically use this in any form of gift. We have a lot of them right here, and these material is not really stretchy, and the material on this right here is really great. And we have a lot of them right here, and this basically can work well. So we have to, all we have to do right here is to slide this part right out, put it on your keychain or any different accessories that you have. I want to put these on, it will work just fine. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. See you guys in my next video.